How much is your dispatch operation really costing you? 4 or 5 dispatchers. Payroll, benefits, training, turnover, missed calls, manual updates, and expensive mistakes when something gets lost between texts, spreadsheets, and phone calls. That also means constant stress for the owner, checking on loads, chasing updates, answering customers, and wondering what is happening in the operation. CodeShore builds custom logistics platforms that put your whole company in one place. Then we add reliable AI agents that work around the clock, monitoring loads, organizing documents, following up on routine tasks, flagging delays, updating customers, and giving your supervisor real-time visibility. Your people focus on exceptions and decisions. Your software handles the repetitive work consistently, without missed handoffs, sick days, or burnout. Build your platform once. Reduce operating costs, prevent costly mistakes, and take the stress out of running dispatch. Automate, save, improve. Take complete control of your logistics operation with CodeShore.